again, Miss Vero, your playgroup teacher. Now, today we will learn about phonics. It's letter sound K. It's letter sound K. Are you ready? This is the story of letter sound K. A family is visiting a castle in Spain. While they are sitting outside a cafe, some Spanish dancers appear in the courtyard. The ladies wear brightly colored dresses and click castanets going k, k, k. This is how you say this letter sound. It's letter sound k. It's letter sound k. Okay, this is the action of letter sound k. Okay, you put your hands above your head like this and then click it. K, k, k. Can you do it after me? K, k, k. Good job, rainbow kids. Okay, now we see what is the things that start with letter sound K. Okay, first I have kangaroo, key, kite, and the last one king. Kangaroo, key, kite, and king. Okay, now let's rehear the sound of letter sound K. Let's go, music.
Kites are flying in the sky.
Your hands.
Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
Okay, one more time.
Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
Good job, rainbow kids. Okay, now let's redo this worksheet. Don't forget to prepare some pencil and then crayon. Letter sound K. Okay, these pictures begin with the letter sound K. Say the name of each out loud and listen for the letter sound K. Color the pictures. This is the picture of kangaroo. Can you say after me? Kangaroo. K, k, k. Kangaroo. Next, kite. K, k, k. Kite. Keys. K, k, k. Key. King. K, k, k. King. Now let's color the kangaroo first. I will color it with brown. Okay, next, kite. We'll color it with blue. Then key, yellow key. And the last one, king. King. can choose whatever color that you like, yeah. Okay, next I already finished with coloring. Now grab your pencil and let's retrace letter sound K together. This is uppercase of letter sound K, and this one is lowercase of letter sound K. Next we start with the uppercase. First you need to make a straight line from top to bottom, and then make a 2 line across each other. Okay? Straight line, and then make 2 lines like that. Okay? Can you do it by yourself? Don't forget to hold your pencil properly. Okay, now let's continue with the lowercase. It's same, but it's like smaller than the last one. Okay, we finished. Okay, that's all about letter sound K. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye bye.